Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Echinacea drops. First, always check your product's label for specific dosage instructions, as these can vary. It's crucial to know the correct amount before you begin. Gather your supplies, a clean dropper, which usually comes with the bottle, and a small glass of water or juice. This preparation ensures a smooth and accurate administration of your Echinacea drops. Now, let's administer the drops. Carefully measure the precise number of drops as indicated on your product's label, using the dropper provided. You can place these drops directly into a small amount of water, juice, or even herbal tea. Stir gently, then take the mixture orally. Some prefer to hold it under their tongue for about 30 seconds before swallowing, allowing for quicker absorption. Regarding dosage and frequency, most products suggest taking between 20 and 60 drops per serving. This can be repeated 2 to 4 times throughout the day, depending on the specific product instructions and your individual needs. Always adhere to the guidelines on your bottle. Consistency is key for optimal results, so try to take your drops around the same times each day. Before incorporating Echinacea drops into your routine, it's always wise to consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have existing health conditions or are taking other medications. Proper storage is also vital. Keep your Echinacea drops in a cool, dark place, away from direct sunlight, to maintain their potency. If you experience any adverse reactions, stop use immediately and seek medical advice.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.